Agrimony, Agrimonia eupatoria, with its signature yellow flowers, has been a staple in herbal medicine, known for its ability to soothe skin and digestive ailments. Agrimony is a perennial herb native to Europe and widely found across the United States. It thrives in a variety of environments, but prefers well-drained soil and sunny locations. Typically found in meadows, woodlands, and along roadsides, this plant is robust and adapts well to different conditions. Identification. Agrimony grows to about 2 feet tall, featuring pinnate leaves with a toothed margin. The stems are slightly hairy and bear yellow flowers arranged in slender, elongated spikes from June to September. The flowers are distinctive with their small, star-shaped appearance and 5 to 20 stamens per bloom, emitting a slight apricot scent when crushed. Edible uses. The leaves and flowers of agrimony are edible, though they are more commonly used for their flavoring properties than as main ingredients. The leaves can be used fresh in salads or dried for herbal teas, imparting a mildly astringent taste. Flowers are sometimes added to homemade beers or wines to enhance flavor. Medicinal uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare provider who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Skin conditions. Helps treat acne, sores, rashes, and other skin irritations due to its astringent and anti-inflammatory properties. Digestive health. Aids in relieving symptoms of diarrhea, indigestion, and bloating. Sore throat. Used in gargles or teas to soothe sore throats due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Liver health. Supports liver function and helps treat liver disorders by protecting liver cells. Urinary health. Acts as a diuretic, helping to cleanse the urinary tract and reduce fluid retention. Wound healing. Can be used to help stop bleeding and heal wounds faster because of its hemostatic and astringent qualities. Respiratory issues. Used to alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions like bronchitis due to its soothing properties. Mild anxiety and sleep issues. Offers mild sedative effects, helping to reduce anxiety and promote better sleep. Cautions. Agrimony should be used with caution by those who are pregnant or nursing. It can also interfere with blood clotting, so individuals on anticoagulants should avoid using it. As a versatile and gentle herb, agrimony offers a range of therapeutic benefits, making it a valuable addition to herbal practices focused on natural and effective healing.